us right away that it's a sphere that's cut by three planes passing through its center. Okay, this partitions the solid into 8 equal parts, one of which is shown above. So basically, you gotta just imagine the sphere being cut up. I mean, you don't really actually need to because it tells you all the information you need about this. So imagine that, like, you cut this half and then you have just the the one bottom part, right? So this is the bottom part. And then you cut it down here along this line, right? And then you have like that eighth piece that looks like this. I don't know if I could do this. Let's see. Something like this it would look like, right? Like that weird shape here, and then it's cut again in this way, and what you're left with is this, and it tells you right away that it partitions it into, or it partitions, the word partitions, divides. Okay, divides the solid into 8 equal parts, one of which is right here. Now, the volume of each part, it tells you the volume of this piece is T times pi. And it asks you what's the value of T. Well, the sphere of the entire radius is 2. Oh, sorry, the sphere. The radius of the entire sphere is 2.
Peekaboo.
Oh yeah, peekaboo. Say the sphere, the radius of the sphere is 2.
Size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Yeah, how to tell the Peter.
I have to tell the computer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now look. Everybody back.
Okay.
The radius of the sphere is 2. That means we know the volume of the sphere from our formula sheet is 4/3 pi r cubed. And I know the radius is 2, so I could solve for the volume of this entire sphere. It's 4/3 pi times 2 cubed. And 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 4, I'm just going to do some math. 8 times 4 is 8, 16, 24, 32 pi, and then over 3 is the volume of the entire sphere. Now this piece is T pi of a volume. This piece is exactly 1/8 of the entire volume. So that means that 8 times T is also 8 times T pi is also the volume of the entire sphere. So I set these two things equal to each other and I can solve for T. So this is the volume of the sphere, this 32 pi over 3, and then this is the volume of the entire sphere. Again, because this is the volume of one piece, there's 8 of these pieces, so you set them equal to each other. 32 pi over 3 is equal to 8t. And now I solve for T, I divide by pi on both sides. Pi over pi is 1, 1. I divide by 8 on both sides. And I'm going to get that this is 1, so I get T on this right-hand side, but I'll make it the left-hand side. 32 divided by 8 is 4, right? 8, 16, 24, 32, 4. And then it's 4 over 3. This is the value of T, 4/3.